Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today we are back with another video and our ways to make money selling in 2024. As always, we're going to use my print on demand framework, idea research platform, product and design. The idea that we'll be using today is to offer personalized automotive accessories like car seat covers, steering wheel covers, and floor mats. So for this research, I came up with ways to make this work to create a marble collection of car accessories in all the primary colors. I think that would be cool. Marble is a very unique design print, and it can make the interior of your car stand out. The platform I'm using today is Printify. And the product I am going to use today are car mats. So for the design, I created a marble design in Leonardo.ai. It is beautiful. I love the way this flows and blends. And for the design in the car mats, it all came together. I'm really in love with these prints. I love the way it looks in the car. It gives it a rich feel. So if you have like a black interior, this will look really good. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode of ways to make money and selling in 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.